Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a newish project. Newish. So I just did a video showing a design plan for Arctic Antarctic, and I said that I was not going to make that album because I didn't have time. I couldn't resist and I ended up making it. I didn't fuss a lot with inserts or embellishments, but I did put it together, and I will make a cutting guide for it, which will be with the first tutorial video. I think it's going to be only 2 videos. But here it is. This is Arctic Antarctic from Stamperia. And I didn't have any rice paper, so I did end up matting. Now I had my sort of design brief on this album was the viewer who asked me about it had one 12x12 and one 8x8. I didn't quite get it done in 1 and 1. I probably would have, except that I cut a few mats wrong, and then I fully matted, which I will show you, inside flaps and pockets. If you just used craft or white in those spots, I think you'd be fine and you would get it done with 1 and 1. And I used navy cardstock. So the cover is 6 by 8 3/4. The pages are 5.5 by 8. So here we go. Inside front cover is plain. We have our flap here with a pocket, and I did not make any inserts. I've just put some cut aparts in. There are side pockets if you want to make side pocket inserts. And this is a belly band, and I just stuck some scraps and a cut apart in there just to show that it was a belly band. And we have a flap here. And this is a stacked pocket, so we have here and here. And this was a plain page that I just decorated, and then you could put a photo right here. And then we have a flap up and a flap down, so lots of room for pictures there. And this has flaps in opposite directions. And like here where I've got pattern paper, or even here, you could do just craft or white, and then you would definitely have plenty of paper. Same here where I've got pattern paper. Anywhere where I've got, like here, I've got a pocket lining that's pattern paper, make yours solid and you should be good. And then we have an envelope here, and then this envelope, let me just pull out, is also a pocket. Whoa. Now I've got to get that out. Whatever you put in there, put a tab on it so you can get it out. Okay, there we go. And then here we have a pocket, and I just put cut aparts and a couple of leftover pieces. So that is it. It's not a difficult album at all. It doesn't use too much paper, although it absolutely could once you get into the, making inserts and side pockets and all that stuff. There we go. And then I just used some white seam binding to close it. So that is it. I hope you join me and we'll make this. Like I said, I think it's only going to be 2 videos. And then after that, we are going to do Stamperia Klimt. So I will see you next time and we'll get started with this album. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.